Hey my lovelies, this is MUTULU. I trust that you are well. Did you see that? Yes, that was the Jellof, the iconic Jellof. I shared a recipe roughly about 2 years-ish, maybe 3 years ago. And this is my new way of making it for my family. One thing with me is that I never cook the same way twice. But with this recipe, in the formula, yeah, I've cooked it more than twice now. And I made sure that I've stuck to it because it was just amazing. All right. Now I know that you're going to enjoy this one. So as you saw, I added bell peppers, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, well, baby plum tomatoes. We blended it with the all seasoning, some rosemary, sea salt, a mixture of fennel and anise. I was gonna say star anise, but it's anise. And here I'm working with some coconut oil and coconut cream. The full measurements are in the description box. Don't worry, dear. So that's the coconut cream that I just showed you that I was working with. Now here is the beloved white rice replacement. If you go in my cookbook, Cook with MUTULU, on page 9 or 11, you will see that I give you the recipe on how to make the white rice alternative. And all it is a mixture of quinoa and fonio together. So here I've washed it and I'm going to add it to the blended sauce that you saw me prepare earlier. I'm telling you, my friends, this Jellof recipe is off the chain. It's off the chain. Now, you could actually just work with Fonio to make Jellof or just quinoa if you would like. I mean, it's up to you. But I find that this right here is just amazing. And I'm just extremely grateful for the fact that I was able to come up with this recipe. My family loves it. They request it on a weekly basis. And I know that your family is going to love it and request it often too. Now, I would suggest that you pair this with whatever you love. Dark leafy green salad with luscious, coleslaw dressings. And my lovely, you can go far with this recipe. You could secure a whole... Yep, let me not go too far with this. All right, so 30 minutes later, this is what it looks like. Roughly 30 minutes. I'm saying 30, but God knows. It must have been around 30, maybe 40 minutes. The key is to just let it cook on a low heat. And I know that you're going to enjoy this.